On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Wow, lives off alcohol and inshore. Let's take the Hovsco HovAlpha out for a ride. Hope you guys got a good view. Didn't bring my bicycle helmet cam, so I had to go pick up a bike helmet and mount the GoPro on it. Hovsco HovAlpha. Now, this is a replacement bike because my first bike, I must have got the controller wet or something. They come with fenders now, boys. So she's all charged up. I already set it to class 3, which, don't forget, class 3 is only 20 miles per hour by throttle. You have to pedal to go faster. I would have hoped that they'd readjust that in the firmware so we can get 29 miles an hour by the throttle. I asked them, and I guess there's no way to set it. That'd be a good idea. Hint, hint. This is a really well-built bike. Heavy duty for sure. Let's go up to PAS 5 and go for a ride. Big fat tires handle sand so good. I'm going to be doing mostly throttle. Of course, when you pedal, you got 26. That camper there, they put a tag on it and simply ripped the tag off. And doggies don't like these bikes. Big fat tires. 351 acres, boys, buy it. Beer bottle. End of the sidewalk on this side. complain that I ride the sidewalk, but there's no bike lane, and I've yet to see someone walking on this sidewalk. But if I did, I would give them the right of way. Sometimes I feel like switching that throttle control to the right. I don't know if it would work with these shift selectors for the pedal. It does get tiring with your thumb after a while. Because they're forcing you to pedal. Alright, I'll pedal. Campground going in over there, boys. Crystal River's growing. This has the pedaling that if you give it a little pressure, it goes slow. I want to go in there too. HOVSCO's running some pretty good sales on these now. Prices are coming down, boys. Oh, they broke that sidewalk up pretty good. 15 miles already, huh? Yes, I'm pedaling. Let's take this old railroad trail. Don't pop a tire. The old Crystal River Railroad. Went right through here. Nothing left. Take it. Yeah, that's why they close everything down. Some big spider webs. Hope I don't get one of them big banana spiders on me. I know where that road comes out too. That stinks we can't go there. Let's take a pee-pee break. 16 miles. Looks too tempting, boys. What do you think? Should I do it? It is a short cut back to the house. Used 1 bar battery. 16 miles. I try to respect posted signs. Most of the time. Nah, I do. Let's take this side trail. Pretty sure I know where it comes out. Took it on a motorcycle. Something running in the woods. Hope we don't sneak up on an alligator. Big python or something. little jungly. A lot jungly. Sometimes you get a little better control when you're pedaling. All right, we're out on the power lines. See how she does in the sand, boys. Very good. Which we already knew. Sugar sand. Truck come back here. It wasn't me. The sand isn't completely horrible today because we have been getting a little bit of rain, but boy, when it's dry and we have a drought, it gets really bad. Washed out a little bit on me. That almost looked like a machete. It is. Oh, look at that. A Gerber. How am I going to carry this? Never know what you'll find on the trails, boys. Bet you somebody's upset over this. Wish I had a rack. Hint, hint. Let's see how it looks. Finders keepers, boys. Not too bad. For a free knife, of course. Don't want to disconnect any wires either. Oh, yeah. That actually might work. Thought it looked like something. That's why you gotta enjoy the ride and look around. Let's see if anything's in that water hole. Nope. Make a good photo op though. Out on a Hovsco HovAlpha bike. Found a Gerber knife on the trail, boys. Had to post that up to my Instagram. If you're not following me yet, it's MotoCheez on Instagram. Let's venture on. tree fort is? I think I passed a panty tree already. It's hard to see from this direction. I don't know what those markers are for. Let's see what's in here. Oh, yeah, this is a mud hole when it rains. Not much mud or water left. Yeah, I passed a panty tree. And there you go, more dirt bags. No more treasures. Amazing how good these bikes do. Oh, there's some turtle tracks, or tortoise tracks, I mean. Almost home, 19 miles. Fun adventure today. Yeah, fun ride, HovAlpha. And we got a bonus. This bike has been marked down really good. It's a great value. I mean, the thing is like a tank. It's built so solid. So if you're looking for one, as always, I'll have the links down below. I'll put the discounts down below also. And as always, thanks for watching. Not bad, exactly 20 miles. It was 2 bars off the battery. Now it's been sitting, so it's 1 bar. Not too shabby. This thing is excellent on battery power. What are you doing? Trying to set up my camera. I'm setting up my camera, Mamel. You give the head bump to a camera.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.